Hello everyone, welcome back to Splaslight channel. I hope you all are doing well. On today's video, we're gonna create subtle makeup looks. And as we know, BA party ko season आइरहेको छ, so हजुरले चाहिँ यो makeup easily गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ at home by yourself. And यो चाहिँ एकदमै less time पनि छ. So if you are interested on this video, watch till the end. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I hope you like it. यस्तै राम्रो भिडियो हेर्नको लागि हाम्रो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला र भिडियो मन परेमा लाइक, शेयर एन्ड कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला. Bye bye. See you at our next video.